What's going on, everyone? Mike Power here. Today is a very exciting day because we have the final prototype of our smart interior trim kit for the 2022 Ford Mustang. When we started this project, we used the ultra slim smart LED trim kit, but let's show you all the changes and upgrades we made. Starting out with my favorite part of the entire kit is our custom length LED strips. They're much brighter than the first ones that we had. Each individual strip is its own custom length for putting it perfectly in the locations on the Mustang, and I think it's going to fit and look amazing. And making our way down the kit, you saw in the last video we had to make custom measurements on the harness. We went ahead and we have those custom lengths set on the harness so you don't have to worry about it. It tucks in neat and clean and will look amazing. Other than that, we have the brand new connectors for easily plugging these things in. And lastly, something that we're all very excited about, this is our brand new Pro Series Smart Hub. So you saw in the last video when we were making the first prototype, we're using all these smart hubs for each individual LED strip, but now it's all into one. Also included with this kit, we have a new ground wire and we have a fuse power plug. This is really helpful because since it's an interior kit, you're gonna be getting the power from the fuse box. So this helps us save a lot of time. Now, one of the most exciting features that's been added to our brand new Smart Hub is Battle Mode. Battle Mode has been inspired from Formula Drift with our decel and acceleration lights that we use on our Pro cars. We took the same programming along with the G sensor and put it in the brand new Smart Hub. So let's show you how that works. Once you have the Smart Hub installed and calibrated, you'll be able to activate the Battle Mode. What Battle Mode is going to do is going to have a preset color for acceleration, constant speed, and deceleration. And the cool thing is all the color presets will be customizable as well. Now that we've done an overview on our latest prototype, let's go ahead and get it installed on our Mustang. Now we got our lights installed and our Smart Hub calibrated. Let's go ahead and test it out and go for a ride. So we have green for acceleration, we have red for consistent speed, and then we have blue for deceleration. So if I give it a little bit of gas, see it's going green. If I slow down, it's turning blue. Now if I just cruise, it'll go back to red. So it's super sensitive. We don't have to drive super fast for it to feel it. It feels the tiniest thing even just pulling out of the parking lot. All right, everyone, that's a wrap. We got the prototype installed. We tested all the functions. They're working amazing. We have a few more minor little adjustments to make, then they'll be ready for production. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you on the next one.